range for blood sugar levels is between 70 and 110 milligrams per deciliter. The process for regulating the balance of blood sugar is facilitated by hormones called insulin and glucagon in a sinusoidal manner. Glucagon releases glucose into the blood through the process of glycogenolysis, a reversible process in which glycogen is taken from storage in either liver or muscle cells and broken down into glucose. Glucagon also raises the blood sugar level in the process of gluconeogenesis. This is where amino acids are converted into glucose. Glucagon is produced in the pancreas. Release of hormones from the pancreas is triggered by a special nutrient-rich blood flow from the small intestine through the pancreas through the portal venous system, and a drop in normal blood sugar levels. Glucagon, once released, then travels through the portal venous system with the nutrient-rich blood to the liver. Ketogenesis is another process caused by glucagon, which is irreversible and induced during a starvation-like state. In this process, fatty acids are converted not to glucose but to ketone bodies. These are forms of energy that can be used by the heart and the brain. Within the pancreas, there are beta cells in the center surrounded by alpha cells. The beta cells release insulin, and the alpha cells release glucagon. The alpha cells that contain glucagon have sodium and calcium ion channels that cause an action potential when stimulated by low blood sugar. At around negative 60 millivolts, the threshold for alpha cells, calcium ion channels open, which depolarizes the cell. Then, by around negative 30 to negative 20 millivolts, the sodium channels open, which further depolarizes the cell. Just as in a neuron, the repolarization after the action potential is facilitated by the opening of potassium channels, which allows potassium to flow out and bring the membrane potential back to a negative value. This occurrence in the alpha cell causes glucagon to be released. Prescriptions of glucagon can be used to treat hypoglycemia, a condition that can cause lethargy, a coma, or even death.